As we know, we have to see what are the important things which we can see in the desk of a civil service aspirant. So let's see what are the important things. So, in the one thing is the newspaper, daily newspaper. He will be reading the newspaper and all those stuff. The Hindu is the Bible for that. Then the next thing is that we all will be going to the Insights website. There you can get the daily current affairs, as you can see. So people will be reading this. And another important thing, what we have to say is, Vision IAS current affairs. So we will be reading a lot because most of the people, 80 to 70 to 80% people will be reading the current affairs compilations of Vision IAS. So this will be a must thing you can see on his desktop or laptop. Another thing is, obviously this is quite handy if you are buying a globe like this. Rather than the chart, you can easily rotate and see the things very clearly, whichever you want to see. So it's just, but the wall chart will be little more better actually, wall map. Okay. So another thing is the printer is a must. Okay, because you have to take. Suppose I want to take printout of this compilation, I can take printout from the printer, as well as some important photocopy class notes. You can photocopy here, as well as scan, send or things. So usually for like you need a decent desktop for watching the videos as well as browsing online, and a printer for printing out the materials. And so this is a ideal table for a civil service aspirant. Now let's see what are the common books which are available in the bookshelf of a UPSC aspirant. So let's see what are the important books you can find if you come to the room of a UPSC aspirant. The first book will be the Indian Polity by Lakshmikant. All of you know that it is like the Bible for the studying polity. And the second important book we know it is Indian Economy. So Indian Economy, many authors are like M.I. Singh is there, and I'm preferring Sanjeev Verma. This is quite easy book and easy to understand and very small. So that is one thing you can follow. And obviously the geography part, G.C. Leong you can see, and which is one of the unavoidable part of the preparation you can see is the NCERTs. So these are important stuff here, like we have discussed polity, economy, geography, NCERTs. And another famous book will be, you can find in most of the people's room, is that the ethics books from Lexicon. And for history you can see the Brief History of Modern India by Spectrum. That is also a famous book. And there are some readings books, miscellaneous readings book you can see over there. And another important book you know that is by Key Concept of Indian Economy by Shankar Ganesh. So every aspirant must be having this book. And obviously the Atlas, people use for Oxford as well as Orient Black Swan, but most of the coaching center prefer Orient Black Swan Atlas. So this is it's very good to understand the concept, and more details about India is provided in that. Another thing is that optional. So my option is Malayalam, so you can see that. So optional books will be also found there. And another thing, as a Vajiram student, I can say you can see the yellow books. You have heard a lot about yellow books. This is actually how a yellow book looks like. So let's see. So it's like normal page spreading, and obviously they are in a very concise manner. They prepared these notes and all, and there are flow charts is available there, as well as point wise it was written. So it is very easy to understand if you refer the yellow books. There are a lot of yellow books for each and every subject. And last but not least, you can see the current affairs booklet for monthly magazine. So I prefer Vision IAS, as well as Vajiram also very good. So usually I prefer Vision IAS. So you can find this Vision IAS booklet also in every UPSC aspirant. This is a typical bookshelf of a student's UPSC aspirant room will be look like. Another important stuff you can see in UPSC aspirant's room is watching the Rajya Sabha TV. So in his room a TV will be, most of the people must be having there. So Rajya Sabha TV is mostly discuss about policies about our current government, as well as the big picture program also very nice for watching that. So as a common UPSC aspirant, he will be watching Rajya Sabha TV a lot. So this is one of the important TV channel for Rajya Sabha TV people watching. So the other common thing you can see is the wall charts. Every UPSC's aspirant's room is filled with different kinds of. Suppose this was for mathematics formula, there is a chart, and Constitution of India you can see a chart, and geographical maps also you can found, like India, political, world. And in Delhi, the summer and the winter is very extreme. For without an air conditioner, it is surviving is very difficult in Delhi. So for that, an air conditioner is almost must for most of the aspirants' room in Delhi. Whoever been in Delhi, they know that the importance of the air conditioner. In winter, it is used for heating up the room as well as another purposes.